Hello and welcome to Auto Shenanigans. How the devil are you? Have you had a good week? My name is John and thank you very much for joining me for another episode of Motoring Oddities. Today I've come to the Amsterdam of England, also known as Bristol, also known as Bristol. Let's kick things off with that all-important irrelevant filler. Bristol's local delicacy is the Colston bun, a bun made from a sweet yeast dough flavoured with dried fruits, candied peel and sweet spices. Correct me if I'm wrong, that's just a hot cross bun. And it doesn't really sound that amazing. However, if you'd like to try the Colston bun, they're available throughout the city at one of the many independent bakery bake shops. I'll tell you something else and all. You ever hear of a guy called Darth Vader? Yeah, that's right, the one from the Star Wars.
Remember Chewbacca again? Oh, I love to remember Chewbacca.
They're pretty crap films if you ask me, but the captain of the dark side, or whatever he was born and raised in the playground where he spent most of his days in Bristol. Or to put it another way, he was born in Bristol. Luckily, actor David Prowse didn't provide the voice for the character.
You're a traitor with the Rebel Alliance.
It was also in Bristol that the world's first solid chocolate bar was manufactured by Fry's in 1874. But I don't care because Cadbury's is better. My goodness, isn't Bristol just brimming with interesting factoids? And what's this? Yet another one. Indeed, on to the point of today's 400-mile round trip, and have you seen the cost of diesel at the moment? Indeed, on to the point of today's film, which is this. Vale Street, England's steepest road. It is steep. Nestled in between Totterdown and Arnos Vale sits a rather unassuming housing estate, upon which you'll find Vale Street. With a gradient of 21.81 degrees, it is indeed the country's steepest road. The nearest runner-up comes in at 17.5 degrees, which is the Old Witch Road in Worcestershire, but that's not important right now. So what do we have? Well, it's just an ordinary residential street, just really, really steep. This is much more my style, sitting. It's said that local residents tie their vehicles to the lampposts during icy conditions to stop their cars from sliding away. And it's not a surprise that everybody's parked perpendicular to the road. If you were to park in the usual fashion, you might find that your handbrake is not enough to keep your vehicle in place. It's not all inconvenience and tedium though. When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. And the local residents have done just that by hosting an annual race event at Easter right here on Vale Street. Racing, you say? Why, yes. That's perked up your pretty little ears a bit, hasn't it? We love a bit of racing here on Auto Shenanigans, don't we, guys? Yes, we do. What could it be, I wonder? Formula One? Touring cars? Rally, perhaps? Well, I shall explain. Every year at Easter, the residents gather at the summit of the Vale Street mountain to race hard-boiled eggs. In the annual Easter egg rolling race. Struggling for enthusiasm on this one, if I'm honest. It's like such an English thing to do, isn't it? Along with cheese rolling, and to be honest, I have no idea who thinks this stuff up. Oh, it's this guy, Matt Goran, one of the local residents. Turns out he's Dutch, and he started the event here way back in the mid-90s. It's quite simple, really. To partake, you need a hard-boiled egg. Once acquired, one will position oneself at the top of England's steepest road, before rolling said hard-boiled egg in a downwardly fashion. Whoever's egg manages to roll the furthest is declared the winner, and they win a year of their neighbours putting the bins out for them, maybe. Now, naturally, because I wrote the script at the absolute last minute, I've had no time to prepare, so I don't have a hard-boiled egg. But I do have one of these, which you may recognise. Cadbury's, honestly, they're the one. Okay, so here we are on Vale Street, England's steepest road, ready to roll our egg in our own little race. It's not a hard-boiled egg. Hopefully we don't smash any windows. Are we ready? Watching? Well, shit. I don't know if you saw where that went. Let's walk down and have a look. We've not made it very far. Okay, we're going to try that again. I have my egg. I don't know what the technique here is, but you're just putting an egg down a hill. I thought it would be easy. Apparently not. It is probably because I'm not using the approved hard-boiled specification egg. Okay, third and final attempt. This time I have removed the wrapper and added a bit of weight saving. Let's give her a go. I'm sure she'll fly this time. Well, that was a waste of a cream egg. Meanwhile, in starving Africa, if you'd like to visit England's steepest road, then it's a 20-minute walk from Bristol Temple Meads rail station. Or stick it in your sat-nav and drive here. Or perhaps you already live on Vale Street, so you can just open your front door. It's that simple. That's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this film, then there is a button specifically for that. And if you wouldn't mind helping me out with that all-important subscribe, it'd be much appreciated. My name is John. You've been watching Auto Shenanigans. Enjoy your week, whatever it is you get up to, and I shall see you guys next time for another exciting episode of Motoring Oddities. See you next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.